Binance or Coinbase? It's the ultimate crypto showdown. In 2025, both platforms dominate the space. But which one is the best fit for you? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, stick around. We're comparing everything: fees, features, security, and more. Let's start with the basics. Binance, founded in 2017, is the largest crypto exchange in the world. It handles over $26 billion in daily trading volume and supports over 350 cryptocurrencies. Coinbase, launched in 2012 and based in the US, is a publicly traded company with over 110 million verified users and around 2.2 billion in daily volume. When it comes to fees, Coinbase is convenient, but not cheap. Trading fees range from 0.4% to 0.6%. Binance charges just 0.1%, and you can reduce that further by using BNB tokens or increasing your trading volume. Alright, let's talk about user experience, which really depends on your level of experience in the crypto world. Coinbase is designed with beginners in mind. Its interface is clean, and the mobile app is quite simple to navigate. On the other hand, Binance is packed with features like spot and margin trading, staking, futures, and more. However, it can be a bit overwhelming for new users. Now let's not forget that security matters. It's a crucial aspect when you're choosing a platform. So when it comes to security, Coinbase is regulated in the United States and offers FDIC insurance on cash balances up to $250,000. Meanwhile, Binance uses industry-leading security measures, but has encountered regulatory issues in several countries. It's important to weigh these factors carefully. Alright, so let's talk features. Binance really leads the way here with leverage up to 125 times, launchpad access, staking, liquidity farming, and a variety of passive income tools. On the other hand, Coinbase keeps things simpler. It offers staking and some basic earn features. Both apps are highly rated. Coinbase has better customer support in the US, while Binance is still catching up in that area. So what's the verdict? Choose Coinbase if you're new to crypto and want a simple, secure experience. Choose Binance if you want low fees and advanced trading tools. Or use both, one for learning and one for trading. Smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and comment below. Which platform do you use?